I am Krutika Dhanvate. I am a mother of 19-month-old baby boy Amish and a businesswoman by profession.
Hello friends, myself Hina Doshi. I'm mother of a 4 months old little girl and I'm an entrepreneur by profession.
Before the birth of the baby, I just knew that was something I was strongly willed that I wanted to do. I had counselors like Megha Ladda who also reinforced these thoughts in our mind, me and my husband's. After the delivery, the experience was a little tough initially, but it gets natural in a while. Problems is a lot of sleepless nights, more of.
Breastfeeding was really painful for me. With lack of proper guidance, sore nipples and gorged breasts, it was so painful. I was about to give up on that.
A good support system, a stress-free atmosphere, and a lot of patience.
I think we require proper consultation just before we are about to deliver. There should be someone who can guide you, who can make your mind frame in such a way mentally that you will be able to foresee that, yeah, that problem is coming.
I would suggest stop thinking about whether you'll be able to do it, whether you'll be able to do it enough. Just go with the uh, demand of the kid and go with the flow, and it'll be stress free for your kid and for you. I didn't consult a lactation consultant, but I was definitely helped out by the nurses after delivery. And in case you have a problem in latching, or if you feel you're not able to, your production isn't enough for the kid, and those kind of things are coming to your mind, I think you should just go to a counselor and find your answers from them rather than reading about it on the internet.
Everyone. My name is Shikha Loya. I am a chartered accountant by profession and mother of a 1.5-year-old lovely baby. So initially when I conceived my child, I was very excited and positive about breastfeeding. I thought it would be a very simple and smooth journey. But when I delivered my child, initially there was a very natural hitch, I should say. I was not able to feed him smoothly because there were some latching issues and I was facing a lot of pain and irritation in my breasts. But I was very sure about this thing that I want to keep him exclusively on breastfeed for at least 6 months. So I reached out to my antenatal physiotherapist Megha Bhabhi and also to my gynecologist Dr. Kala Sabu, who guided me. They helped me with various ointments and natural therapies in order to soothe the pain which I faced. And they also suggested me the idea of nipple shields, which help in very easy breastfeeding. So after around 1 or 2 months, I should say, I was very comfortable with breastfeeding my child, and all the problems just vanished away, and I was successful in breastfeeding him up to a period of 1 year, which I am very happy about. This not only helped me to stay connected with my child, it also gave us some beautiful memories which we will cherish throughout our lives. So I will only say that to all the would-be mothers, don't give up on breastfeeding. It is a wonderful experience. Just stay patient and share with people who have been through such pain in order to overcome it and have a very blissful breastfeeding experience. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ankita Somani, a practicing interior designer and a mom since 7 years. I was told that breastfed babies are more stronger mentally and physically. So despite the problems faced during nursing, being the new mom in the town, I could overcome with all emotional and physical ups and downs. With the help of my doctor and nurses, and especially my mom and my husband, who kept strong and helped me make me feed. It's great. It's a great effort by GoWell Physio to come up with such a great initiative, as people feel quite shy talking about it and they don't realize it's the most important thing for their baby's well-being. Thank you.